Hi, in this video we are going to see the recruitment notifications announced from the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO from Ministry of Defense. So this opportunity can be utilized by the candidates who are having the NET qualification or the GATE qualification. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to those candidates, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues so who are having the enough qualification to apply for this one, so that it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And here the salary is up to 35,000 rupees per month. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a Defense Research and Development Organization official website, and in this one if you go to the careers block, then you will get whatever the current vacancies are there. Okay, you will come to know all the current vacancies. And here the call for application for the post of JRF or SRF at DIAT Pune, 1 and 2, both these two notifications are same. Okay, but just the duplication is happened here. Okay, so 1 and 2, both these two are same application guys. Okay, and here the third one, JRF recruitment, a call for the application and DIAT Pune. And coming to the remaining one, INMAS as well as the here also INAMS, these are regarding the medicine. And the filling of the additional chief construction engineer in DRDO Ministry of Defense. Okay, so it is also you may check down. So first, in this video we are going to see the first one and the third one, because 1 and 2 are same, that's why I'm not going to show you the second one. So 1 and 3, both these two recruitment notifications we are going to see. So coming to the first one, and you may check here the starting date as well as the closing date. The publication date of this JRF or SRF, it is on 30th July 2021, that means just day before yesterday, and the closing date is 12th August 2021. Fine. And if you click on this advertisement here, then you will be directed to this one. So the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, deemed to be university as per the UGC Act 1956 from Pune. And the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology Pune is looking for young science or engineering graduates for a position of junior research fellowship or senior research fellow to work under the DRDO project entitled Design and Development of Terahertz Quantum Cascade Laser. And the details or eligibility conditions for the selection are given here, so you may check down. JRF or the SRF, so 2 posts are there. And coming to the essential qualifications, for JRF, master's degree in physics or electronic science or applied physics or optics or photonics or equivalent, first class with a NET or GATE qualification must be there. And coming to the SRF, ME or MTech or MPhil in physics or electronic science or applied physics or laser and electro optics or laser technology or applied optics or photonics, optoelectronics and optical communication, electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering or equivalent, first class with the UGC or the CSIR NET or GATE qualification. Okay, so both these two things are looking same, the qualification for the JRF and SRF, but while coming to the SRF, they included the MPhil and few more additional specializations are also mentioned here, and the CSIR NET qualification is also fine. Okay, so UGC NET or the CSIR NET or the GATE qualification. And coming to the age limit here, not exceeding the 28 years for JRF and 30 years for the SRF. Of course, as per the Government of India rules and regulations, here the age relaxation might be there for this one. And coming to the monthly stipend payable, 31,000 rupees per month for the JRF and 35,000 rupees per month for the JRF. And coming to the tenure, the positions are purely temporary basis and for a period of 30 months and co-terminus with term of the project whichever is earlier and subject to the satisfactory performance. And coming to the desirable qualifications are mentioned for the SRF candidate should have the strong knowledge or experience of electronic system integration, embedded systems or FPGA programming or LabVIEW programming or MATLAB programming. Right? And the candidates at the rate means here whatever the at the rate mentioned here, okay, at this one. So regarding this JRF, they mentioned candidate must have his or her master's degree mark sheet or certificate at the time of joining. And coming to the star mark that you may check down here, okay, in the age limitation. So the crucial date for determining the upper age limit is 12th August 2021, and upper age limit is relaxable up to 5 years in case of the candidates belongs to SC or ST, women, PWD, and up to 3 years for the OBC candidates. And the mode of entry will be in person or through video conferencing, so whichever is suitable to the DIAT. And offer to the JRF or SRF fellowship doesn't confer to the fellows or interns any right for absorption in the DIAT Pune. Okay, so eligible candidates will be encouraged to register for the PhD program as per the DIAT norms also. Okay, so it will be the wonderful opportunity. Okay, I think all of you know how much valuable it is. Okay, the institute may provide the campus or hostel accommodation to the selected JRF, and the no HRA will be admissible to the JRF or the SRF. And how to apply means a brief biodata duly signed and application form, which is available in the official website as appendix scanned in PDF, and proof of date of birth and final year or previous year mark sheet if available may be sent on the email ID of the principal investigator to this mail ID with the subject titled application for the JRF or SRF on or before 12th August 2021. Okay, so it is a way of procedure to apply, and few other terms and conditions are given here, you may check down. And if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, you may contact this number, guys. So 9405369074. Okay, and Dr. Devnath, okay, that is a principal investigator of the project. So if you are having any queries, you may contact this number, guys. Fine. And I will provide this website link in the description box of this video so that you may go through the advertisement, as well as if you want to apply online, you may apply online from this website itself. And coming to the third one, JRF recruitment call for application in DIAT Pune. So for this one, the GATE qualification is necessary. UGC NET is not required. So JRF ME or MTech in computer science and engineering or information technology or electronics and communication are equivalent with GATE qualification. And the desirable things are also mentioned here, you may check down. And age limit is not exceed to 28 years, and 31,000 rupees plus HRA will be available. And the tenure is 18 months and subject to the satisfactory performance. And the crucial date for determining the upper age limit is 24th August 2021, and the upper age limit is relaxable as per the Government of India rules. Okay, so a few more points are given. And mode of interview will be online or else video conferencing, whichever is suitable to DIAT will be intimated to the shortlisted candidates in advance. And how to apply means a brief biodata duly signed application form, proof of date of birth, ME or MTech mark sheet, GATE score and degree certificate may be sent to the email ID of the principal investigator in the PDF as a single form with subject titled application for JRF on or before 24th August 2021. Okay, so other terms and conditions are given here, you may check down. And here the Dr. Sunita, the principal investigator. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also provided, 9421058254. Okay, so these are the details regarding these two recruitment notifications, guys. So whoever these qualifications are there, please utilize this opportunity, and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these eligibility conditions. It will be very much helpful to them. And one point here mentioned is that eligible JRF or SRF will be encouraged to register for the PhD program as per the DIAT norms. Means once if you are encouraged to register for the PhD program there itself, then it will be the wonderful opportunity and you will be having the very bright career, guys. So don't miss this opportunity. Okay, so please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.